Hedges, a landowner, contracted with Sumpter to build 2 houses and stables on his land for £565. The building work began, but well before it was complete, Sumpter informed Hedges that he had run out of money, and he abandoned the works. When he left, Sumpter left behind some building materials. Hedges was therefore left with 2 half-built houses and some random building materials. He used the building materials and engaged another builder to finish the job. Once the houses were built, Sumpter showed up. He accepted that he had abandoned the contract, and so he couldn't claim under the contract. That's the rule in Cutter and Powell. You can't enforce a contract unless you yourself have met your obligations. However, Sumpter said that he was entitled to a quantum meruit, a fair payment for his work. He estimated that he had done roughly 2/3 of the required work, and so he demanded payment of £333. The court at first instance said no. They allowed him to claim the value of the building materials that he had left behind and which had been used, but that was all. He had abandoned the contract, and so he was not entitled to anything, not under the contract, and not as a quantum meruit. Lord Justice Collins said, if the plaintiff had merely broken his contract in some way so as not to give the defendant the right to treat him as having abandoned the contract, and the defendant had then proceeded to finish the work himself, the plaintiff might perhaps have been entitled to sue on a quantum meruit on the ground that the defendant had taken the benefit of the work done. But that is not the present case. This case teaches us a couple of things. First, it confirms that the rule in Cutter and Powell is important. If you contract to do a whole job for a lump sum payment, you need to do the whole job. Second, it confirms that if someone doesn't do the whole job in the sense that they complete the works but there are defects, then they can claim a quantum meruit, a fair payment for their work. Finally, it says that if you abandon the work half complete, then you can't claim under the contract and you can't claim a quantum meruit. It was not a good day for Mr. Sumpter.